Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how I paint a lobster. These are the list of the materials I used for this lobster, and as you can see it is a very easy wet to wet technique wherein I just put some pigment on the paper with enough water, and then I put on top like layers on top. So this is a very easy process. So I sketch it first, and then I mix the pyrrole red and the perylene scarlet, and then I mix a little bit of burnt sienna and Payne's gray for the shadows. And as you can see, I leave some white paper to make it more realistic looking. Also, in this painting project, I sketched a lemon, some mussels, and some herbs you're gonna see in the final output. So these are very easy process, and it's just a matter of how you balance your water, your pigment, the colors that you're using, and the mixing of the colors. So it's a very easy and relaxing process, and I do hope you are enjoying my videos. And if you like it and you enjoy it, I do hope you subscribe for my channel and click the bell button for more notification updates, and you will be updated for upcoming videos. So it is very important that you will leave a part of white paper in watercolor painting, because that makes your composition more realistic looking, and also make it sure that there is a dark tone, the mid tone, and the lightest tone. So and you can see on the top shells of the lobster, I lifted a little bit of the color to make it more lighter, and like it looks shiny. So I really enjoy this painting process. So it's very important also that the paper you're using is a watercolor paper, 300 grams or pounds of watercolor paper. And in this one I use Canson paper, and I recommend this paper because it's not that pricey compared to arch paper, and it holds a lot of water. So most of the time if I paint my flowers or any other subjects, I use this Canson watercolor paper. And I use a different kind of brush for detailed one. I use the smaller size, and I'm using the Princeton size 6 in this one, and size 8 also, and the other brushes, the Escoda brushes. So I hope you like the final painting, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.